Welcome to the Book Like a Boss website video series. In this video, we're going to be covering the layer functionality. To begin, we're going to click Edit Site, and this will log us into the Book Like a Boss website editor. On the left bar, where you see all of the icons, at the very top, you see Layers. Layers allow you to hide or show different elements of your page and on different device types. So as an example, if we were to go down to Cover and click on it, Cover is indicating it's this panel here. And if I were to hide the cover, you can see that the cover is now been hidden. Important to note that when you hide on desktop, it generally will hide on small desktop and tablet. But if you go to mobile, you will see the section again. So then in that instance, you would go to Cover again and hide it on mobile. And to bring it back, you simply click on the eyeball again, go back to desktop. You'll see it is hidden there. Click on it, and once again, it will display. This little toggle I'm clicking on right here will also allow you to slide the site over. So if you're in editing mode and it's zooming in like that, that you can push it back over to the left and see all of the elements that you're dealing with. So that is Layers. Again, this allows you to hide and show different elements of your pages on desktop and mobile, and you can indeed keep certain things on one device and hide it from the other.